Welcome, Clarity Coders, to Fish It. If you're new around here, we play games until it gets boring, and then we create bots to see if we can get any gimmicks here. This one's pretty easy. It's built for AFKing, actually. So you're going to throw your rod in there, click as fast as you can, collect fish. Once you collect fish, we're going to jump on over here and sell all of our fish at once for 119 coins. We'll go and buy some new rods as we go through the game. You have baits as well, so we're going to buy some baits. And then back to more fishing. Now we got to save up to get a boat so we can go to new islands. You can see, oh, we got a garfish. Now this fish is from River Monsters. You remember that show? He'd go around and collect the fish just like us.
So I'm in no doubt that I've brought in one powerful lady.
Now this has a built-in auto fish, so we can leave this auto fishing to gain us some monies. Then back to the store, sell it for 342 coins. We can travel back to the bait shop. You'll notice some of these have higher luck, so we can buy a higher luck bobber. We can view our boats for the first time. They got kayaks, jet skis, all kinds of stuff here. Back to fishing. Now, like I said, we have auto fish here, so we can let this ride. Get enough money for a nice, new, fast jet ski. Selling for 1,061 coins. That should give us enough for a kayak, so we can go ahead and buy that. Although, I really like the jet ski. It's a lot faster, but we'll buy this for now. Let's go back and we'll do some fishing. You'll notice here, you get a boost in luck if you're manually fishing. Something worth looking into maybe down the road. Now this auto fisher, if we turn this on, let it get us some money here, is great, but we don't get that luck boost. And it's not all that quick. Now you might be asking yourself, why do we need luck? Well, luck's imperative to us catching rare fish and getting to the end game here as quickly as possible with our bot. Now if you look on the wiki here, it lists all the fish and their rarity. So 1 in 5 is a white tang, for example. There are common fish, uncommon, rare, epic, legendary, mythic, and secret. Now we need to catch a secret fish to get the best rod in the game right now. So we're going to need to figure out a way to catch one of these secret fish. And they have, for example, 1 in 800,000 chance, or 1 in 1.2 million. So we have to find ways to increase our luck as much as possible. But after auto fishing, we have $9,000, so we can go back to our boat shop. Here at the boat shop, I'm gonna buy the jet ski. Purchase. Thank you. Spawn our jet ski. And bam. We're auto fishing in the depths. So here we can get some stones that can enchant our rods, make them luckier, things like that. We're gonna let it auto fish for a bit. We'll see if we can get some extra luck on this rod. We haven't created any bots yet, but I do have an idea. As you know, one of my go-tos is to annotate some images. Let's jump in there. So here we're in RoboFlow. Like you guys know, we're gonna upload a video here, see if we can annotate some images. I wanna see if we can get it to realize it needs to reel, and then we can have it auto click until the reel goes away. Hopefully we can do a couple of things. We can get it to automatically reel in fish. We can get it to auto cast, so we still get our luck boost, and that should really help our bot. Now we got our images pulled in. We obviously don't want to keep all the images here, so we're going to kind of filter through. Some of them are the same, and we're going to go through and annotate our images. Once we're complete here, we can create a version of our database and then get the code to pull it into our project. Now we can use just a simple training program to train our YOLO network. It's very simple. We're just telling it whether it should reel or not. I also had it detect the auto button, and we'll see what we can get going here. I also have a little debug vision program that'll show us what it's actually detecting. So I'll use that. I used that in my last Roblox video as well. You can see here that it's detecting with 0.97. So 97% accuracy that it needs to reel. So that's good. Now, I really want to get a baseline of how fast our bot is. So we're just using the auto bot right now. And I'm doing it in the same spot. We're gonna do it in this Sisyphus statue. So if you complete this deep sea quest, I hear you get kind of an end game fishing rod that's the best in the game right now. Now we have to catch one secret fish. So we want to catch as many fish as a minute or a second or whatever as possible here. So if we look at how fast we can catch a fish here with this rod, reel, all that jazz. When that reel shows up, I start my timer, and then I'm gonna wait for us to catch the fish. When we catch the fish, I'll stop it about 8 seconds. We'll do it again here. Take a look, stop it, over 8 seconds. And I think I started it late. One more here, start it. $10 seconds. Now back to our program. It should be pretty easy to beat those times. I use ChatGPT to write me a simple program. It's going to use 2 threads, one to recognize when the reel is on the screen or off the screen, and the other to actually click the mouse. Now I can't tell if it's actually helping. Now we do have it slowed down right now as well. It is clicking in that area. It's probably not doing any better than the bot would. Or than the autofish would. So I'll start it with this reel. Okay. Wait till we catch the fish. About 6 seconds. We try again. When I see the reel, start. About 6 seconds. Okay, that's good. That's good. Let's see if we can speed it up any. I made one small addition to our program. I just took out the sleep. I didn't want it to click too crazy fast, so I had that in originally. That's out now, as you can see. I think this is the most we can do with my current NVIDIA GPU and all that jazz. I'm recording and a bunch of other stuff, so I think this is as quick as it can go. Now I'll show you what's slowing us down here. When we catch this fish here, you'll see it starts clicking slow and then eventually starts clicking fast. So watch this, it shows up. It's clicking slow here, now it's going fast. What's happening is it's taking a while to process that image and determine if that reel is up there or not. I'm running my Yolo model right now on the CPU so I can record and do other things. So this is kind of where we're at for this program at least. And if we time it here, let me see if I can time the next one. So we'll start our timer, wait for it here, stop it, and we get about 7 seconds. So not bad, not great. You'll see from this bot, I was able to get a mythic fish, this armored catfish, nothing special. But I have one more idea in the works. Now, if you're new, it's not a Clarity Coder video until you get into Paint. So to show you what I mean for this next bot I want to try, I want to really simplify this. We're making it way too difficult. If you look at this image in this area right here, that's black. Let's try it with red. In this area right here, we have a single pixel that can tell us if we need to click to fish. So if I hover right over here, you see right at 2025, 1958 or so, we can grab an almost white pixel. So I'll just say if the HSV is above, 250 or something, 250, 250, 250, then we click. Now, if you look at a still of an image where that reel isn't up, you can see that we won't have that pixel. So it won't be that white value. And then we'll know that we don't have a fish, right? So we can also probably use that to trigger an auto cast as well to get that luck value. ChatGPT, give me the magic here. Telling it that I want it to create a program just using that one pixel. We'll use 1798 by, I forgot the place. Okay, we'll use 1970. I can round these up just so they're even. We'll do 1800. Now, of course, I had to have it just log the value for right now because it won't create a bot for me. My programming is getting rusty, ChatGPT. Now in our code, this is our baby. So we can set up the different monitors. We can set up our pixels. Now I had to change this part, right? So during our loop, if white is set, we're going to click with our mouse. Now, if it flips, so if it did detect white and now it's clear, or vice versa, it's going to hit inside this if statement here. If it's set, it's just going to print out this little white detected. Now, if it was white and now the white is cleared, we're going to wait 0.2 seconds and then we're going to hold down the mouse button and then let the mouse button up. So this will effectively give us that automated cast after we catch the fish that still gets us the luck that we want. Now let's do our run, the one pixel auto fish. You see it clicks pretty fast out of the gate. An amazing recast. That's all automated. Clicking fast again. Looks good. Looks really good. I think we can spawn our boat. Let's head back to our island and see if we can try this out. Back at the statue, our secret fishing hole here. This is where we're going to try and catch that secret fish. So I got my bot running now. I'm just going to let it AFK for a while with the auto reel on. You see it's doing amazing casts. That gets us more luck. I also purchased a high-end $1 million rod. You'll notice that gives us our a luck countdown, a 7 out of 10, and also like an extreme luck thing. 17 out of 40 right now, or whatever it might be. 18 out of 40 now. So that's going to allow us to get, I think, even better fish. So I'm just going to let this run for a bit. Come back, see what we got, and go from there. So I was reviewing this data as I came back to our bot. This is about 27 minutes into fishing. You'll see we catch like a special fish here. It's cute, blobfish. So it's 1 in 50,000, but you'll notice that animation it did threw off our bot. So it's not working anymore. So we got to fix that real quick. I'll take this back to the market though. You can see how beautiful it is. Thank goodness we caught this beautiful fish in our 27 minutes. Now I have a really easy fix here. So this if statement checks to see if we're switching from white detected to a not white detected or vice versa. So it's looking for some sort of change. Now I just put an else down here. So this will be if we have 2 whites in a row, or if we have 2 knot sets in a row, which is like the knot white color. And then inside of that if statement, I'll do a little test to see if it's not white. So if it's not white, we're gonna go ahead and do our cast animation again. And that's just by holding down that mouse button, then sleeping, and then letting go of that mouse button. Now you'll notice consistency-wise, I have my cast in here has a sleep of 2.7, just as I played around with it. My cast down here has a sleep of 3.5. You could, you could make this a function so they always stay the same. You know, define a function above and call that cast. It would also probably be beneficial to make it some sort of a random sleep time so it's a little unique every time, just so you hit more amazings if you get off or something like that. Maybe, you know, a small discrepancy in how much you sleep every time. But I'm not overly concerned about it, so I'm going to leave it like it is and give this bad boy another test. So back at the statue here, I did purchase this nice little totem pole. I'll slam that down and help these guys out. I guess this gives you a boost so you can get shiny fish. A mutation, I'm guessing, of sorts that makes them probably worth more money. So I'm going to throw that down, get our bot started here, let him handle the craziness, and we'll be back in a bit. Now we're checking back in on our bot. It's been about 47 minutes. You'll notice we're on 39. Here's our 40, our magic cast. It's an amazing cast for extra luck. And when we reel this bad boy in, you can see we got something going here, guys. Cryo Shade Glider. So that was a 1 in 450,000 chance. So we certainly tried to game the system a little bit by using our amazing casts. You can see here that we also got another blobfish, some sea crabs, different things like that. I'm just gonna keep wandering around this world showing everyone my fish here. I'm not gonna sell it. If any of you guys want this for your collection, add me to Roblox. The first one to add me up and ask for it, I'll send it to them. Let me know in the comments what games you'd like to see next, or if you'd like to see another video in this series. And until next time, keep coding.